I'm doing another flight with my FT Explorer tonight. We're here at the ball field and very nice and empty, and left and right in the ailerons, left and right in the rudder, up and down in the elevator. I'm going to try to take off the ground again. I think I've gotten the CG squared away, and I think that was part of my problem the other night when I couldn't get up. So I'm going to give it a try and we'll see what happens. So here we go. It looks like it doesn't want to come around. But it does do a nice spin out. So we've got another ground ops we did. Oh, we got a lot of dirt all over the back of the wing. We'll do a hand launch and see how she goes with a hand launch. Just clean that up just a little bit. There we go. Should take off pretty well. I'm going to walk out here, so I'm actually launching over the grass. There's not a lot of wind tonight, so it should be a decent flight as well. And here we go. Oh. We'll try that again. It's not, for some reason, I'm having trouble getting her up. I think I'm going to move the battery back just about 1/4 of an inch. Give me a little more tail weight. Hopefully that'll allow it to go up. We are armed. That's all it took. A little bit further back. Now we'll be able to fly pretty well. Nice and slow.
9 minutes.
And we got a few drops of rain. We'll see how that does. Still need a lot of up elevator. So I have a feeling that even though the CG is where it's supposed to be, that for this plane it's got to be back a little further. See if we can take it up a little higher, and then
Safety off.
not the best of rolls, but not bad either. Especially for a fairly heavy foamy with not a huge amount of power. It's got a decent amount of power. Just a few raindrops. You look at the sky, and over there where I'm flying right now, in that direction anyway, it's looking like the rain's going to stop. Like I said, still giving it a ton of up elevator.
7 minutes.
I set the timer for 10 minutes since we've gotten about 12 each of the last couple of flights. Do have a voltage alarm in there as well, so should definitely help us with the flight.
Six minutes.
That's a better roll. Giving it full throttle. And we got a few bugs tonight. The rain definitely brings them out. I'm going to walk a little bit into the sandy area. Hopefully that'll keep them down, because hopefully they don't want to be near the grass.
Five minutes. Four minutes.
And the bugs have followed me.
Three minutes.
I think I'm going to bring it down on time tonight at the 10-minute mark, just because of the bugs. And I'm going to be able to go get some bug spray. I'm going to see about doing another loop here. Oh,
Safety on.
and my alarm is going off. Guess that's what happens when you do a lot of high-powered stuff. And we'll bring it in a little bit low here. Bring it into the ball field. And bring her down, and there she is. the Flite Test FT Explorer on a 3S 2200, and it's the 4-channel wing with ailerons, rudder, elevator, and obviously a motor. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll have more of these flights to come.